Tonight I made this delicious cheesy cauliflower, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to make it. Let's get into it. Start off by removing the stems and the leaves. Take all of these off and cut the heel off. Next, we're going to rinse it thoroughly. Run it under the water, get that bad boy nice and clean. You're going to add your cauliflower head to a pot of boiling water, and you're going to blanch it for about 4 minutes. You're going to take your cauliflower head out and put it into a colander so you can drain all of the water off the cauliflower. Pat it down, get it nice and dry. Get it ready for your toppings. 1 cup of avocado oil mayonnaise. I'm using Chosen Foods mayonnaise here. You can use a little bit less if you want to. I'm going to also add 1 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese and mix this really well. Sometimes cauliflower can be a little bit boring, so we're going to jazz it up with this topping here. So mix this up. And that Chosen Foods mayonnaise is bomb. You want to take this cheesy topping and put it all over our cauliflower head, and we're going to spread it around nice and even. So again, make sure you have full coverage all the way around so it bakes evenly. There we go. So next to that, I'm going to add some ground pepper. Make sure you have full coverage all around. We're also going to add some garlic powder, not garlic salt, but garlic powder. About a tablespoon. Next up, we're going to add some parsley flakes to give it a little bit of color, and we're going to prepare it to put in the oven. So we're going to set our oven 375, and we're going to put it in our oven after it's preheated, and we're going to cook it for a total of 20 minutes. So keep an eye on it, and when you pull it out, look how awesome this looks after it comes out. Again, an easy, cheesy cauliflower bake that is keto friendly and it is low carb. So make your cauliflower a little bit more exciting by making this recipe yourself. See how fork tender that this came out? Make sure that you try this easy, cheesy cauliflower bake the next time you're looking for a side dish that's keto friendly and it's low carb. Well, thank you for joining me, and we'll see you next time. So make sure that you like, subscribe, and share if you like this recipe, and be sure to click on the bell notification so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.